Hey there. Today, I'm going to walk you through using ChatWriter, an incredibly handy tool for writing emails, messages, and more using AI. Whether you struggle with composing professional emails or just want to refine your writing, this tool has got you covered. First things first, let's talk about how to get started with ChatWriter. You can access it in a few different ways. Select text to open ChatWriter. Simply highlight any text on a website, press and hold the Control key, and you'll quickly open up ChatWriter. From the Gmail reply toolbar. If you're using Gmail, you can click on the ChatWriter logo in the reply toolbar. This automatically adds the previous email's content, making it easier to craft your response. Via keyboard shortcut. Set up a keyboard shortcut of your choice to launch ChatWriter instantly. No need to fiddle around with menus. From the extension icon, click on the ChatWriter extension icon in your browser's toolbar, and you're good to go. Now, let's dive into some of the key features and functionalities of ChatWriter. Writing commands in any language. You can input commands in various languages, making it accessible to users worldwide. Generating responses. Whether you need to reply to an email, compose a message, or draft a document, ChatWriter can generate text based on your prompts. Just provide the necessary context and let the AI do the heavy lifting. Customizing tone and length. Want your response to sound professional, casual, or friendly? You can specify the tone you prefer. Plus, you can indicate if you want to keep the length short or make it longer. Rephrasing and summarizing. Need to rephrase text to make it sound more professional? Or maybe you want to summarize a lengthy document? ChatWriter can handle that too. Translation capabilities. From English to French, Spanish to German, ChatWriter supports multiple languages. Just specify your desired language and it'll do the rest. Fixing grammar and spelling mistakes. Say goodbye to embarrassing typos and grammar errors. ChatWriter can help polish your writing, ensuring that your messages are clear and professional. And the best part? It's completely free to use. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started, ChatWriter is here to elevate your writing game. So, why wait? Give ChatWriter a try today and say hello to effortless, polished writing. Whether you're drafting emails, composing messages, or refining documents, this powerful AI tool has your back.